And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, it is still very warm tonight. We've got heat indices still running as high as about 99. It's still upper 80s at the Purdue Airport, upper 80s at Monticello, 88 at Kokomo, and we're still holding at 86 at Rochester. The Arnold Farm, again, I really like giving credit to our observers out there, and a lot of our farms in the area that have weather stations set up that are extremely accurate, like our airport weather stations run by the National Weather Service or the FAA. Out on the Weeaw Plains with that really sandy, very dry soil, we shot up to 102 for the high out there just southwest of West Lafayette, and it's 87 out there right now. And of course, Candy Teal in rural Chalmers, she had 101 for the high today. She still has 85, but she did get a 1/10 of an inch of rain yesterday. Not so today, though. There's the big hot upper ridge dominating. This is the ring of fire pattern. These complexes of severe storms blow up on the periphery of the really intense dome of heat, and they ride all around it southward. So this is the one that went through northeast Indiana last night. There's a new one kind of developing up here, and then there's a bigger one up here in Iowa and now northern Illinois. You can see it moving in our general direction here. So here we are. You see the watches lined up, the warnings lined up, and we're going to get into this for the area with time early tomorrow morning. This round of storms is moving over towards central Ohio and will miss us. So that said, it is a slight risk of severe weather for early tomorrow morning, very, very late tonight, mainly early tomorrow morning for some severe wind gusts as this comes into our area. We'll have plenty of energy still left over with this very warm night. So very unstable, even getting into the nighttime hours with the heat index exceeding 90. And then there's that little complex of storms coming in towards tomorrow morning. There's 7 a.m. and there are the lows in the 70s to about 80 degrees. After some storms in the morning, we may have a couple storms linger to about 11 or midday. Then the sun comes out, the wind goes back to the south, and we heat up to 92 with a heat index of 106. And still a 90 to 96 degree day tomorrow. Heat indices 104 to 111 in our southwest and 103 to 107 in our northeastern counties. And yes, really late tomorrow night and then again Thursday night, we could have a couple of rounds of storms come through with a wind threat yet once again, but we'll take all the rain that we can get. Here's midnight. There are the storms. Here they come. This is 2 a.m. And then finally, here they are at 7:30 in the morning. Little Boeing line of storms coming right through the area. Again, be aware of a few severe gusts that can't be ruled out. A storm or two tries to linger till 11 or noon. Then the sun comes out. I still think the potential's there for a little wave of storms to come through late tomorrow night, and then perhaps around coming in Thursday night in from the northwest. And then by Friday, that's out of here, and we enjoy a drier weekend with lower humidity. New blog post should be up by 11. I'm going to work really hard on that over the next half an hour to get that up for you. 88 Friday, lower humidity, but still very warm weekend at 87. And then back to 97 Tuesday with some storms, then turning cooler later next week.